A Russian anti-satellite weapon test may have created a dangerous field of orbiting space debris that threatened the International Space Station over the weekend, unnamed U.S. officials told CNN. In a statement, U.S. Space Command, which is different than Space Force, confirmed a debris-generating event occurred, but notably declined to mention the cause or Russia. Two U.S. officials told CNN that Russia carried out an anti-satellite test over the weekend, and one suggested a link to the debris. That scenario is bolstered by a report from Data, a private space data and analysis company that tracked a suspected ground-launched anti-satellite missile strike from Russia. The missile struck a defunct Soviet-era intelligence satellite that had been in orbit since 1982 and scattered at least 14 pieces of debris large enough to be tracked, according to Data. If confirmed, it would be Russia's fourth such anti-satellite test. The 7 astronauts aboard the ISS had to repeatedly take safety measures Monday, sheltering in their docked capsules while the station passed the orbiting junk. We are actively working to characterize the debris field and will continue to ensure all spacefaring nations have the information necessary to maneuver satellites if impacted, U.S. Space Command said. We are also in the process of working with the interagency, including the State Department and NASA, concerning these reports and will provide an update in the near future. Last week, the ISS had to alter its orbit after a chunk of an old Chinese satellite, created by an anti-satellite missile test by the Chinese in 2007, came close to the station. Even tiny bits of space debris can be disastrous for the space station. In June, a 5mm (0.20" wide piece of junk traveling at 17,500 miles per hour punched a hole through a thermal blanket wrapped around the station's 60-foot robotic Canadarm2.